Welcome, today I'll show you how to turn off your Google Assistant option into your Realme 9 Pro Plus. First of all, open your Google application. You can swipe on the left or open here your Google application. This one. Go into. Now on the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose here settings. Now go into Google Assistant option, and in this menu scroll down and find General option. And now tap here on this feature to turn off your Google Assistant and confirm operation tapping turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.